Want to supercharge your website or app with Google Maps, but don't know where to start with API keys? Let's get you set up in under 90 seconds. First, head over to the Google Cloud Platform website. If you don't have a Google Cloud account, you'll need to create one. Just click Sign In and follow the prompts to create a new account or log in with your existing Google account. Once logged in, you'll land on the Google Cloud Platform dashboard. Now, click the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the screen. If you already have a project, you can select it. If not, click New Project to create a new one. Give your project a descriptive name, like My Maps project, and click the Create button. This might take a few moments to complete. Once the project is created, navigate to the APIs and Services dashboard. The easiest way to do this is by typing APIs and Services into the search bar at the top of the page and selecting the result that takes you to the API library. Now, search for Maps JavaScript API in the API library search bar. Click on the Maps JavaScript API to open its details page. On the Maps JavaScript API details page, click the Enable button. This will activate the Maps JavaScript API for your project. With the API enabled, it's time to create your API key. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Credentials. Then, click the Create Credentials button at the top and choose API key from the drop-down menu. Congratulations, your API key is now generated. But don't celebrate just yet. It's crucial to restrict this key to prevent unauthorized use and unexpected charges. Click Restrict Key. Under Application Restrictions, choose HTTP, refers websites, or IP addresses depending on where you'll be using the API. Enter the specific URLs or IP addresses where your application will be hosted. Under AP or Restrictions, select Restrict Key and then choose Maps JavaScript API. This ensures the key can only be used for this specific API. Finally, click the Save button. You've successfully created and secured your Google Maps API key. You're now ready to embed awesome maps into your projects without worrying about unauthorized use or hefty bills.